Peace up, A-Town down.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Usher, usher,
Let's go.
in the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI. Keep it down on the low key. You should know how it feels. I saw the shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game, she was spitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to chill. Conversation got heavy.